Schedule a test drive in a new Ford F-150 immediately. As the Laredo, Texas facility, we are experts in brand new and used Ford trucks, cars and SUVs in the Laredo area. We service neighborhoods around Laredo such as Encino, Mirando City, Bruni, Encino, San Ignacio and we take pleasure in being a South Texas-based Ford center that is dedicated to providing our customers with warm and friendly and unthreatening staff, unmatched accessibility, first-class customer assistance reputation. Call immediately if you're seeking a Ford F-150. Or come in and visit us for a test joyride in your dream F-150 today.